Introduction to time blocking.
Time blocking is a productivity method where you schedule dedicated blocks of time for specific tasks. Instead of simply making a to-do list, you assign each task a time in your calendar. Using Google Calendar for time blocking can help you focus, avoid distractions, and make the most of your day. Let's learn how to set up effective time blocks step by step.
Identifying your key tasks.
Before you start adding blocks to Google Calendar, list your most important activities. These might include work projects, meetings, emails, or breaks. Prioritize tasks that require focus and those that are often interrupted. Understanding what needs dedicated time will help you create more meaningful and realistic time blocks in your schedule.
Creating time blocks in Google Calendar.
To create a time block, open Google Calendar and click on your desired date and time. Add a clear title like Deep Work or Inbox 0. Set the start and end times and choose a color to visually separate different types of blocks. Repeat this step for all your important tasks, ensuring everything has a dedicated slot.
Customizing time blocks for flexibility.
Life is unpredictable, so make your time blocks flexible. Consider adding buffer time between tasks for transitions or unexpected needs. You can also use recurring events for daily or weekly routines. Adjust time blocks as you learn what works best for you, moving them as needed to keep your day realistic and manageable.
Tips for staying consistent.
Consistency is key to successful time blocking. Set reminders for each block using Google Calendar notifications. Review your schedule each morning or at the start of the week. Over time, this habit will help you stick to your plans, minimize distractions, and enjoy more productive, fulfilling days using time blocks.